Hello friends, my name is Shirki Akshay Kumar Ashraba and today's date is 3rd of September 2021 and as per our regularly basis, our today's video topic is check exception and uncheck exception. So before going to check exception and uncheck exception, first we see what is exception in shortly. So what is exception? Exception is a unwanted or unexpected event which abrupts or disturbs the normal flow of our program. Means if exception is created, then the program written next to the exception is not executed. Program stops at that exception. Okay. Now we see a check exception and uncheck exception. First we see a difference between check exception and uncheck exception. First difference is check exception is checked by the compiler for the smooth execution of program, and the uncheck exception is not checked by the compiler for the smooth execution of the program. The next difference is check exception is commonly occurred exception, so the compiler take care of that exception, and the uncheck exception is rarely occurred exception, so the compiler not care of that exception. Okay, this is the difference between check exception and uncheck exception. Now we see both exceptions descriptively. So we see a check exception. So in check exception, when we write a exception inside a method, at that time compiler checks that exception and uh, gives two instructions to us. That is, first is a use a throws keyword, and the next is a use try or catch methods. Try or catch keyword means we can handle that exception with throws keyword or try and catch method. So we see an example of check exception. We have one class, that is class name is my class. Then we have a main method, that is public static void main. Inside that method we have one operator or one object of buffer reader. That is buffer reader is the syntax. Now we see a syntax of that buffer reader. First buffer reader, which is a class, then the reference variable, that is yes, is equal to new word is used for creation of object. Then next is a buffer reader, which is a constructor. Then next in bracket new input stream reader, then in bracket system.in. Okay, after this, by using our object, that is yes dot read, we create a read method, and this shows the instruction from compiler. First is a use throws keyword, and second is a use try and catch keyword. Okay, this is the check exception. So next is the uncheck exception. In exception handling, the uncheck exception consists various types, that is array index out of bound, string index out of bound, null point exceptions, arithmetic exceptions. Okay, so first we see a array index out of bound exception. So we see example of array index out of bound exception. We have one class, then we have one method. Inside that method we create one array, that is int array a is equal to 1 2 3 4, means it have a 3 index, that is 0 1 2 3. Then in system.out.println we write a of 10, means we require the value of 10th index of that array, but there is no availability of 10th index value in that array, so it gives the exception, that is array index out of bound exception. Then we see a string index out of bound exception. We have one class. In that class we have a main method. In that method we create a one string, that is string yes is equal to abcd. Okay, after that in system.out.println we write yes.char at 10, means we require the character at 10th index of that string, but the index is of only 4 index. But the string have only 4 index. There no have any 10th index, so it gives a exception, that is string index out of bound exception, and then the null point exception. In uncheck exception, In uncheck exception, compiler not give any instruction for that exception. Okay, and in exception, there is no need of throws keyword. If we use throws keyword, there is no effect on that exception, and if we not use that throws keyword, then also there have no any effect. Okay, thank you.